Craving crispy food with less oil? In this video, I'm reviewing the 5 best air fryers available today, comparing cooking performance, capacity, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your kitchen. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, Convection Oven, 17 touch screen presets: fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shut-off, large easy view window. If you're looking for an appliance that can replace several kitchen gadgets, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is a fantastic option. Combining an air fryer, convection oven, rotisserie, and food dehydrator in one machine, it's designed for busy families and home cooks who want more cooking versatility without taking up extra counter space. Its biggest highlight is the 10-liter family-sized capacity, making it easy to prepare meals for multiple people. With 17 one-touch cooking presets, you can quickly air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, or reheat your favorite foods without constantly adjusting settings. The powerful convection system cooks food evenly while using little to no oil, helping create crispy fries, chicken, vegetables, and snacks with less grease than traditional frying. The main drawback is that its larger size requires more counter space than compact basket-style air fryers. If you only cook for one person, it may be more capacity than you need. Overall, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is perfect for families and anyone who wants one appliance that can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even cook rotisserie meals with excellent versatility. Number 2. Kasori Turbolaze Air Fryer 6QT, PFAS-free ceramic coating, dark gray, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 5-level fan speeds, 9-in-1 air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, keep warm, safety lock, 1725W. The Kasori Turbolaze 6-quart air fryer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants fast, consistent cooking with a modern, easy-to-use design. With its 6-quart capacity, it's well suited for couples, small families, and meal prep while remaining compact enough for most kitchen countertops. One of its standout features is the Turbolaze airflow system with 5 fan speeds, helping cook food more evenly and creating a crispy texture without excessive oil. The wide 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range gives you plenty of flexibility for everything from air frying and roasting to baking, broiling, dehydrating, reheating, and keeping food warm. The PFAS-free ceramic-coated basket offers a non-stick cooking surface that's easy to clean, while the built-in safety lock adds extra peace of mind during everyday use. Whether you're cooking frozen fries, chicken wings, vegetables, or homemade desserts, the Turbolaze delivers quick, reliable results with minimal effort. The only limitation is its 6-quart basket, which may be too small for preparing large meals for bigger families in one batch. Overall, the Kasori Turbolaze is ideal for home cooks who want a reliable, versatile air fryer with excellent cooking performance, easy cleaning, and enough capacity for everyday meals without taking up excessive kitchen space. Number 3. Legosi Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 24 cooking functions and digital controls, 7 accessories included, stainless steel finish, 26 QT capacity. If you need an air fryer that can replace several countertop appliances, the Legosi Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a top contender. Its spacious 26-quart capacity makes it ideal for large families or anyone who frequently cooks for guests. The elegant French doors provide easy access, while the stainless steel finish gives it a premium look that fits well in modern kitchens. With 24 cooking functions, you can air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and more, all from one appliance. It also includes 7 useful accessories, giving you everything you need to prepare a wide variety of meals. The powerful convection system cooks food evenly, delivering crispy results with less oil than traditional frying. The main drawback is its larger footprint, so you'll need enough counter space to accommodate it. Overall, the Legosi Air Fryer Toaster Oven is perfect for large households and home cooks looking for maximum cooking versatility in one appliance. Number 4. Gourmia Air Fryer, 4QT capacity, fry force 360-degree, digital display with 8 presets, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, dishwasher-safe accessories, compact. The Gourmia 4-quart air fryer is an excellent choice for individuals, couples, or small households looking for an affordable and compact air fryer. Despite its smaller size, it offers plenty of cooking flexibility with Fryforce 360-degree technology, which circulates hot air evenly to create crispy food using little to no oil. It features 8 one-touch presets, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more with minimal effort. The digital display is easy to use, making it beginner-friendly, while the dishwasher-safe basket and accessories help simplify cleanup after meals. The only limitation is its 4-quart capacity, which may require cooking in batches if you're preparing meals for a larger family. Overall, the Gourmia 4-quart air fryer is a great option for anyone who wants quick, healthy meals in a compact, easy-to-use appliance without taking up too much kitchen space. Number 5. Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL, 6.5 QT, 7-in-1, Gray, AF182 AMZ, Max Crisp, Broil, Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, Dehydrate, 450F Max, fits 9 pounds wings. If you want a powerful basket-style air fryer with plenty of cooking space, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is one of the best options available. Its 6.5-quart capacity is large enough to prepare family-sized meals while remaining compact enough for everyday kitchen use. This model offers 7 cooking functions, including air fry, max crisp, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you excellent versatility for everyday cooking. The 450 degrees Fahrenheit max crisp feature is especially useful for creating extra crispy fries, chicken wings, and frozen foods in less time. The non-stick basket is easy to clean, and the straightforward controls make it simple enough for beginners while still offering excellent cooking performance. The only downside is that, unlike oven-style models, it doesn't provide multiple cooking racks for preparing different foods at the same time. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is perfect for families and anyone looking for fast, crispy results with a spacious basket and reliable everyday performance. Those are my picks for the 5 best air fryers. Whether you're cooking for yourself or the whole family, there's an option here that fits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and if this comparison helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.